green beans. They're 500 grams and they look so fresh. Can you see that? Hi guys, I'm doing another grocery haul for you. I bought some fruits and vegetables at Aldi today. As you can see at my fruit stand just right here, I think I'm almost running out by the end of the day. Today this will be all gone as my family love to snack some fruits. So I thought of just going to get some top up for the fruits and veg, and yeah, I can't wait to share them for you. Okay, so let's get started. I got about a kilo, sorry, that's a kilo of sweet mandarins. They're actually the small size ones, and guess how much they are? They're actually $1.79 at Aldi today, so they're actually perfect for school lunch boxes. I like that. And I've got a few bananas. The bananas actually at $2.99 a kilo, and I love it. It's just a perfect size. It's actually quite small, but it's just good for my little ones just right here. They can finish one single banana and it won't go to waste. Now, as you may know, we love blueberries, so we've got 2 blueberries, and these actually at $1.99 a punnet. They're on special today at Aldi, so I've got 2. Also on special today is actually the Sunny Ridge Australian ground strawberries. They're actually at 99 cents, so I went ahead and grabbed one. Now today at Aldi, they have my favorite fruit. We've got the mangoes just right here. It's actually on special. They're about $6, I think, for $6.99 for 4. So this price is already on special. Now they're little, they're not that big. So now avocado, as you know, I love my avocado for my salads. So I've got 1 avocado that will probably be good for me for 2 days. Green beans. They're 500 grams and they look so fresh. Can you see that? So the green beans are on special at $1.99 a pack. So I went ahead to buy 2. Because I am thinking of making some bean stew. probably tonight or maybe tomorrow. We'll see if I have enough time. Now if you are interested to know how I make my green bean stew, now please leave a comment below, and hopefully I will have enough time to film them for you. Okay, so that's that. Another greens, I've got my salad mix, crisp and fresh. These are already washed, so all I need to do is just put them in my salad together with my tomatoes, cucumber, and my avocado. So I'm going to be making some green beans tonight or maybe tomorrow. So I went ahead also and got myself some organic Italian diced tomatoes. These are actually, I think they're 99 cents. So I have 4 cans. I'll only probably be using 2, I think, but I'll need 2 extra just in case. Also got some brown sugar at Aldi and a box of tissues. And for my tuna, of course I have my favorite flavors just right here, chili and onion, and the tuna chunks in oil. So they're the ones that I usually put on my salad, and I love them. Or actually, if not salad, I make my own sandwich at home. Just put some tuna, cheese, avocado, cucumber, tomato, and some mixed greens, and you are good to go. So yeah, so I think that's all I have. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned for more, and see you next time. Bye.